Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC, second flight ever of the all new to me, Fat Guy Flies RC official flyer, Errol's Trekker. Second time I flown her with my new paint job and decal job and putting my website name on it and all that. You know, looks like a big old bumblebee. But as you'll see, got a little of a dying light here. That red and white is great for visibility. I'll tell you folks, the Errol's Trekker, that's what this is, with a custom paint job. I'm telling you, this is a great flying little plane. Now, the way she comes, I don't like the way she looks, you know, the way she comes from the factory. I don't like the paint scheme and how she looks. I love the way she looks now. Great training plane. Good 4-channel control plane. Just a good all-around plane. And I, of course, am, as you can tell, I'm very comfortable with this plane. And noisy wheels. I gotta put that grease and stuff on there, that like a little paraffin wax, and she has a decent roll radar. Not a 3D plane, not a super aerobatic plane, but just a good, strong, solid flying plane. The lights come from a crashed C-47 model that I had. That I never showed on the channel. It was a technical crash. It wasn't my, I never actually don't even have the videos anymore. I had no control of the plane, and I lost aileron control of her, and the aileron servo was bad, and it was a discontinued plane, and so I knew I wasn't going to, I should have ever got the thing, should have never put it together. So I was like, well, yeah, I say I don't edit anything, but at the same time, I don't want to show something like that that's just going to be discouraging to somebody. Crashes that I can learn from, crashes that other people can learn from, I'm definitely going to show that. But when you buy a junk plane and it's discontinued and you know you're not going to get any support, you know, you get something that's coming like some obscure company you never heard from, and I said, you know what, it's my own fault. I didn't pay much for it, so, and I harvested a bunch of parts from it that are good. So, anyways, I really just don't want to get into that. But anyways, back to this plane. It's just a really great little flyer. And like I say, in case you just now tuned in or just now started watching this video, this is the Errol's Trekker with a light kit from a crashed plane. And of course, I gave her a custom paint job. So all I did was I just painted her white. I used an acrylic based paint. I did use a regular aerosol can like you get, I want to say it's even Krylon, but I took it outside, and you can still use regular spray paint on foam, but you're going to waste a lot of paint, be aware of that. You have to stand at a distance, and you have to lightly let the paint touch the model. If you get too close, the propellant will eat up the model itself, eat up the foam, so you don't want that. Well, anyways, folks, there you go. That is the Fat Guy Flies RC Second time I've ever flown the Fat Guy Flies RC Flyer. Great looking plane. I'm very happy the way she turned out. Unique design. And I want to thank you all for watching. And folks, thank you for making my channel grow and enabling me to bring you these planes. And I love it. And thank you so much. God bless each and every one of y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, then planes. Bye-bye.